Welcome to Sevat Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to do mutton soup my way. Let's get started. I'm adding in olive oil for this mutton soup. Then I put in these mutton ribs. Just toast it for a while. I'm adding in ginger garlic, turmeric, galangal, spring onion. It will give a sweetness to the soup. And I'm going to add in some water. And adding in lemongrass and stir it. Bring it to a little boil. I'm adding in 1 spoon of fennel powder, 1 spoon of garam masala, 1 spoon of cumin powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of black pepper, and I'm adding in salt. At last I put in tomato, 1 piece, adding in parsley stock and bring it to boil. Add a bit more water until the meat everything cover. It's already start boiling. I close it and wait for 7 whistles. Now it's ready to open. Already very nice smell coming, so appetizing. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat Recipes, and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.